guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a brow video. I had a lot of requests asking me how I did my brows, and they wanted me to go more in detailed, and I am going to show you two ways that I do my brows. One is whenever I actually like go out or just have like a glam full face look, and then the other one is whenever like I'm just here at the house or I just need to run to the store real quick. Okay guys, so for my first look I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills dip pomade. It's in the shade chocolate, and then you can use any kind of brush as long as it's for like an eyebrow. And then all you have to do first is comb it out in the direction that your hair grows, just so you can see where you're gonna need more product. Just gonna get the brush, and I'm going to start at the very tail of my eyebrow because that's where you want it to be more in depth. You want it to be more bold at the very tail. So just trace. Whenever I get to the very front, I lightly put any product because I don't want that to be really, really dark. Okay, once you get to the very front, don't add any more product. Just kind of flick it. If you don't have any hairs there, you can always just draw them in, but very, very lightly. Okay, so now I'm just going to comb it out, just so I can mix all that product in very well. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Clear Brow Gel. And I'm just going to set that just so it can hold in place all day. And again, just comb it out in the directions that your hair grows. You should always stop right here. It's where your eye ends. You should never go past that, because if you do, it's going to look ugly. They're going to look really, really dramatic, and you don't want that. And remember, your eyebrows are never going to be exactly perfect. There's always going to be one bigger, one thinner, one that has more hair, one that has lighter hair. It doesn't matter. You're never going to have perfect brows. And if you do, it's probably because you edit them. But it's in reality, there's never perfect eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going in with my concealer, the LAgirl. And it's in the shade Porcelain. And then my Wet n Wild flat brush. And then I'm just going to conceal the bottom and the top. Okay, so now that I have my brows done, I'm just going to set my concealer with the RCMA powder. You can set it with any translucent powder, just so it can hold. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm all done, and as always, I would just go ahead and do my eyeshadow and then do my full face. So now I'm just going to show you how I do my other brows. It's whenever I don't do anything, or whenever I'm just here at home and just want to, you know, just have a little bit of makeup on. Okay, so for my second look, I'm gonna use the Brow Power Pencil. I use this right now, but the one that I normally do use is the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics and the shade 3. I think I need to go a little bit darker because this one was too light for me, but I really liked it. So again, just comb out your brows in the direction that they grow. Okay, now I'm just going to go with my pencil. And I'm just going to kind of carve it out wherever I see that I need to fill in. Okay, so with the pencil, I really don't touch the front part. I just leave it alone because I don't want it too dramatically. Okay, and then I just kind of squiggle in there just so I can fill in all those bald spots that I need to fill in. And then in the front, kind of lightly flicker it, or you can squiggle in there too. Okay, and then just comb it out. Okay, so now that we have them filled in, I'm just going to go in with my clear brow gel and just set them. Okay, so this one was fairly easy. It doesn't take long, so it's just something just so you can have some kind of product on your brows. Okay, and then I'm just going to conceal, but I'm not going to conceal all the way down to my eye. I'm just going to stop right here. Maybe just where your brow bone is at, I'm going to stop there. And then the top, I'm not going to conceal either because I don't want it to look too dramatic. I just want it just so you can see that I have some kind of product. And then just mix it. Okay, so now I'm just going to set that part of my eye with a little bit of powder, just so it don't crease. Okay, so we're all done. I hope you guys learned something, and then if you guys have any more questions, you guys can always comment at the bottom of the video, or just message me on Instagram or okay, so this is a final look. This is my more natural brow, and then this is the one that I use mostly every day, the one that I wear. But you know what? It's your choice. You can wear whatever you want. You can do them however you want. This is just how I do it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification button so whenever I do upload videos, you guys will be the first ones to see them. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.